Hello and welcome to the video. I'm in the middle of servicing my Fabricator 2. This is the little Turnigy tabletop 3D printer that gets used an awful lot. As it's getting older, it needs fettling now and again, but that's not what the video is about. The video is about this thing here. Now, for those of you that do this kind of stuff, where you're taking stuff apart all the time, this is kind of my cheap and cheerful way of managing this. This is the top of a Haagen-Dazs ice cream tin, but it could be anything that's plastic. And all I've done is I've just got a couple of neodymium magnets. You can get them from places like Amazon and eBay, and I've just hot glued them on. I have 3 of them, and it means that as I'm taking things apart and putting them back together, I can keep all my screws separate, and if I knock it off the table, it doesn't matter. My screws don't go absolutely everywhere. So this is one of those daft little things that I thought, you know what, I've actually not made a video on this, and I'm in the middle of fixing this and hopefully getting the Z-axis working properly again. But I thought I'd just share this. This is one of the cute things to do. If you are taking things apart all the time, I would get yourself a lid, something like this, and then hot glue yourself some neodymium magnets in them. I'm not even sure, neodymium, not sure. Anyway, the very strong magnets, put them in here. I put 3 in this one, and it is absolutely great to stop the magnetic bits and pieces that you take off a model disappearing off the bench. My issue, a little smiley face, my issue is that unfortunately when I'm kind of in the middle of it and throwing things around, there's a good chance that I'll knock the thing that's got the screws in off the table, and then I'll be in a real mess. But having several of these magnets in not only keeps everything safe, but also you could have several of them. Like here, for example, that is the top screws, that's the bottom screws for this thing, and now it's just a case of putting it all back together. Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organized into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy flying.